Hey beauties, today I'm gonna show you my favorite summer look step by step, so let's go! First I'll prepare my skin with Moringa All-beauty Cream. This is my favorite oil-free moisturizer because it has a light texture and leaves a beautiful satin glowing finish. Then I like to apply cranberry on lips and under the eyes to improve those dry areas and sort of fill the lines. Now I'm going to mix the Oat Milk Foundation in shades Brew and Mocha to find the perfect match to my tanned body. You can also use the deeper shade to create a contour. I'm not contouring today because I want to create a quick and natural look. Please don't forget the neck. Now I'm applying a bit of Arnica concealer under the eyes with my fingers because I like to be practical and I believe that is the best way to apply the creamy formula. This has a full coverage, so it's perfect to cover pimples and dark areas. I'll also use it to prepare the eyelid to apply the eyeshadow. Sometimes I like to remove the shine from the T-zone by setting the corn powder. As it has a translucent coverage, it's perfect for sealing concealer. This step also helps you to blend the eyeshadow. I just got my eye palette, the lovely one, because it has beautiful shades for summer. I'm applying the second shade to my entire eyelid under the concave, and the same shade on the bottom lash line. Now I'm applying a deeper shade right on the outer corner, and adding the wonderful vanilla highlighter in the shade Sun Hello, in the middle of the eyelid, in the inner corner of the eye, and under the brow bone. I want to create a more dramatic look. I'm adding the jojoba eye pencil in shade Bronze just right on the outer corner and blending with the fingers. Now, the Avocado Waterproof Mascara. I like to create a lot of layers. I probably repeated that process for 3 or 4 times. And for eyebrows, I choose the Argan Brow Hero to fill the gaps and create that lovely laminated effect. For the perfect summer look, I choose the Rice Powder Blush in shade Bondi. I like to apply on cheeks and on top of the nose. Again, applying vanilla highlighter on top of the cheekbone, on Cupid bow, and on top of the nose. Now, I'm applying olive oil lipstick on shade Runway. You can stop here if you want, but I will also add Mango Lip Honey in shade Crush just right in the middle to create more volume and a glossy finish. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And what can be missing in summer looks? That's right, highlighter everywhere. Thanks for watching, bye!